Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. In part 1 of this two-part tutorial, we looked at start events and defined the number of instances the process will trigger. Today, we'll be defining what the probabilities are that the process will diverge into different paths by setting the combined values for each sequence flow. Our sequence flow exits from an exclusive gateway that has a second outgoing sequence flow. To set the probability on the sequence flow, select the element and open the parameters pane. Now, let's add a probability. Here, you can see that the default value is expressed as a percentage. We have two sequence flows exiting the same exclusive gateway, so 50% for one, 50% for the other. The combined values for each sequence flow must equal 100, so if you don't define probabilities, they'll be equally distributed. You can change the default value according to your predictions. You can type the exact value or use the slider. If you're working with several sequence flows, you can use the toggle to lock in the value so that it doesn't change when other values are modified. If you want to edit values, simply select the parameter again and make your changes. And that's it. That's how you set probabilities on a sequence flow. Why not try it for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.